Oh girl, let's go. Girl, just let it expose, no clothes. Take off all your clothes. I rose to you with no clothes. Baby, let's set a moon right. Can't collide, don't fight. Right under the moonlight, you moan like who?
Good morning. Welcome to our next episode of Vlogging with Ricky, Just came out the house, heading to the Sparkussa, or Sparkussa, as they call it, and just decided to start vlogging. I'm not lying. I'm feeling myself, yo. Hey, look there. Oh, look at muscle. Oh my God. Whoa, I'm even more beautiful, yo. Yo, look at this, man. Look at swag. Check my swagger, nigga. Check my swagger. Oh, okay. I'm feeling myself a little too much. Well, we out here, and I don't know what we have planned for the day, but we're gonna find something to do, because as you could see, it's early, not because of the bad weather, and it's not really bad weather because we're exiting the summer, and this is how it's gonna be going into the winter until the winter comes in. When the winter comes in, then it's gonna be snowing and get much worse. Okay, so journey with us until we reach the Sparkussa, and I see you there, right? Or Sparkussa. Okay? Boom. Hey, life is crazy, yeah? I mean, sometimes over here the sun is so hot, and the wind is blowing and it's chilly, and everybody walking around normal in just t-shirt. And right now it have no sun and the place is cold, chilly, but I'm walking around in t-shirt and everybody is in, sweater, jacket, pullover, all that. But I'm in this, and when the sun is hot and the breeze is blowing, I'm not wearing this. I'm wearing jacket, even though the weather here is so terrible. Excuse me for that. I haven't made any breakfast. Even though the weather here is so terrible, I always walk with a jacket, whether in a backpack, around my waist. Anytime you always see me with a jacket. I don't play those games because the weather changes in an instant here. Okay. Well, I'm by Sparkussa, as I say, and I came and checked. Because I was supposed to get my bank card and I haven't gotten it. I just get it, and I'm testing it out at the machine right now to see what is going on with it. I'm going to show you what's going on. This is the card, right? Sparkussa card. Okay. I understand that better. I'm not going to show you much, but it's working. Okay, people, so I'm exiting Zalando. I haven't found anything special, and that is just one of the outlets. I don't feel like going upstairs. I went to the premium section, but the premium section have nothing much that, are nothing that interesting. I don't know if it's because it's in Leipzig, but I'm actually gonna head back down. Either I'll go in Constable Vaca or Hop Vaca, do some shopping or something. I'm not sure. You hear what I'm saying? So right now I'm heading down in the train station back. And down here you have to have your mask on. If you don't have your mask on, then you're not gonna get through. Okay? Hold on. These guys are checking again. These guys, they'll check it again. If you're riding the train and you don't have a ticket, well, that's your 60 there. You understand? And they're everywhere. So this one is here. Just in case the chain come, he walks to the chain, so you jump off the chain. If you don't have a ticket, you jump off the chain, and when you go upstairs, oh, scheiße.
Nächster Zug U6 in Richtung Ostbahnhof über Bockenheimer Warte und Hauptwache.
I need to get something to eat. We're on the move again, you know? Them hard work made them men for man. I want no bad man present so strong. And it's a celebration. Why them a go do now when the plane land? Them full of garbage, them a rubbish pan. Somebody them a look for him to rubbish pan. Hey, welcome back. Welcome again. Today we didn't have much activity to do because it had very bad weather. So we wanted to go to Oss Park, but we couldn't because the weather was bad. We wanted to go to watch people skate and stuff like that, but it didn't happen because of the weather. So we just chilled today. Didn't have much activity to do, didn't have much to show. So I never recorded much. So now I'm just heading home. And tomorrow, I hope the weather is not that bad. I'm gonna check it anyway. So I hope tomorrow the weather is not that bad, so I could give you a better content or show you more, because I want you to enjoy these vlogs. I'm on my way home right now, and I know a lot of people are not gonna enjoy this vlog because much haven't been done. I haven't showed much today. I haven't showed anybody today, even though there was a lot of my friends here. I haven't showed anybody because we never went out and did anything. But hopefully tomorrow we'll have a lot of people in the vlog. But the only interesting thing I did today was go to Zalando, and that's it. But tomorrow I will have better content. Even if it's not outdoor, I will try to go indoors and do better content for you. Okay? So see you tomorrow. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share, and click the notification bell for more. Okay? We're out.
Oh girl, let's go. Girl, just let it expose, no clothes. Take off all your clothes, I rose to you with no clothes. Baby, let's set a moon right, can't collide, don't fight. Right under the moonlight, you moan like ooh. If you make it to the bed,